Sight words. A. Am. An. Let's read it once again. A. Am. An. Now children, it's your turn to read. As. At. And. Let's read it once again. As. At. And. Now children, it's your turn to read. His. Her. Him. Let's read it once again. His. Her. And him. Now children, it's your turn to read. I. R. B. Let's read it once again. I. R. B. Now children, it's your turn to read. Can. Go. Get. Let's read it once again. Can. Go. Get. Now children, it's your turn to read. Is. It. In. Let's read it once again. Is. It. In. Now children, it's your turn to read. He. She. How. Let's read it once again. He. She. How. Now children, it's your turn to read. Of. For. It. Let's read it once again. Of. For. It. Now children, it's your turn to read. We. Me. My. Let's read it once again. We, me, my. Now children, it's your turn to read. To, so, no. Let's read it once again. To, so, no. Now children, it's your turn to read. On, or, do. Let's read it once again. On, or, do. Now children, it's your turn to read. Had, by, did. Let's read it once again. Had, by, and did. Now children, it's your turn to read. Us, up, and you. Let's read it once again. Us, up, you. Now children, it's your turn to read. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.